What's up guys, Noah from Tiny Rig here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be walking you through this 2024 Yoho that we just installed on our customer's Tacoma. Added a few of our own little touches on it as well, so I want to give you a good walkthrough of it. And yeah, came out pretty cool. Let's walk you guys through it. So starting off with suspension, when pairing the truck with a camper of this weight, super important to get a good suspension system in. So with Scout campers specifically, we tend to work with airbags. In this case, it has the Ride Right kit, as well as Daystar cradle. So that's just gonna help support additional weight, maintain some ride comfort. And you also have the freedom of removing the camper. So deflating the airbags, you can go right back to the factory ride quality. So one unique feature when pairing this camper with the 6-foot bed specifically on the Tacoma is you have the ability to close the tailgate, which is crucial for security of the camper. You can load some extra gear into the bed and just keep everything nice and secure inside. And yeah, it also serves as a cool little step to get into the camper as well. So not a guarantee for every single vehicle, but on this specific application, it does work to close and open it. So jumping into the camper specifically, a few of the add-ons that came from Scout include this diesel heater, as well as the jack stands, which are needed to take the camper on and off. And then jumping onto the inside, we do have the bunk extensions as well as the bunk windows. The bunk windows are key for getting some extra light inside. It deceivingly makes it a little bit roomier. And overall, yeah, just having that little bit of airflow in the sleep space definitely helps a lot. Also on the inside, we included the National Luna 50-liter fridge. 50 liter is a really good capacity. It's gonna be one person living out of this full time. So for her, it was the perfect amount of storage. And it is dual zone, which is also really nice. So jumping into some of the add-ons, first one up front is the table slide and table from Alu-Cab. This is a key factor, keeps your table tucked away. You don't have to worry about storing it inside the camper or in the bed. So yeah, really nice, and it deploys really fast. So I'll pull it out for you guys really quick. The legs are on struts, so there's not a super lengthy setup process to it. It's as simple as popping open the leg, and now your table's set for camp. Jumping into our second add-on, we included the Alu-Cab 270 Shadow Awning, and it's paired with the universal awning brackets that come with the Scout from the factory. And again, really cool option. You get a bunch of coverage and super easy deployment. So it's what we run on our own other camper setups, and on the Scout specifically, we just thought it was a really good add-on and super easy to set up as well. Hopping to the other side, third option we included was the Alu-Cab Shower Cube. Again, this is another component that we work with on the Alu-Cab camper system, and we thought it was a really cool feature to include on the Scout as well. Includes a little bit of privacy. You can use it as a bathroom, shower enclosure, or just a spot to change at camp. And yeah, really cool, perfect height on the Scout. And yeah, overall, just really functional. If you guys are interested in the Scout Yoho or have any questions on the system, feel free to visit our site or give us a call for more details. We'd be more than happy to help you out. And yeah, catch you guys in the next video.